Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4. Now, this is 5. I can express this 5 as summation of 4 and 1. I have 27 power 4 plus 1 minus 27 power 4. Now, when you have a power x plus y, this equals a power x times a power y. So this is 27 power 4 times 27 power 1 minus 27 power 4. So we have 27 power 4, 27 power 4, we factor that out. That means I'll have 27 power 4 times this divides 27 power 4, I have 27, minus 27 power 4 divides 27 power 4, I have 1. From here, I have 27 power 4 times 27 minus 1, that is 26. Now what is this 27? 27 is 3 power 3. So I can go ahead and express this 27 as 3 power 3 raised to the power 4 times 26. And if you have a power x raised to the power of y, this equals a times xy. A power x times y, right? So 3 times 4, that is 12. I'll have, that means this equals 3 power 12 times 26. So I need to find the value of 3 power 12, which is the same thing as writing 3 power 10 plus 2, and this is times 26. And remember, a power x plus y equals a power x times a power y. Applying that here, I have 3 power 10 times 3 power 2 times 26. So this will simply give us 3 power 10 times 9 times 26. What is 3 power 10? 3 power 10 equals 3 power 5 times 2, which is just like having 3 power 5 raised to the power of 2, and 3 power 5 is 243. That is 81 times 3 because 3 power 4 is 81. So 3 power 5 is 243 power 2. That is 243 times 243. To multiply this out, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2 plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 7. 4 times 3 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4 16 plus 1 17 carry over 1. 4 times 2 8 plus 1 9. 2 times 3 6, 2 times 4 8, 2 times 2 4. We add up everything together. Now I bring down the 9. This is 4. This is 14 plus 6 20. 0 carry over 2 and at 11 plus 8 19. 9 carry over 1 at 594 9. 594 9 times 9 times 26. So let's start. You multiply 594 9 by 9. 594 9 times 9. 9 times 9 81. 1 carry over 8. 9 times 4 36 plus 8 44. 4 carve out 4. 9 times 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. 9 times 9 again. 81. 1 carve out 8. 9 times 5, 45. 45 plus 8, 53. So we have 531441. Now, let's multiply this by 26 for our final answer. This will be 531441 times 26. We have 531441 26. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 4, 24. 4 carve out 2. 6 times 4 again, 24 plus 2, 26. 6 carve out 2. 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. 6 times 3, 18. 8 carve out 1. 6 times 5, 30 plus 1, 31. We proceed to 2. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 4 again, 8. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5, 10. We add everything together. This 6 here, we have it here. This is 6. This is 14. 4 carve out 1 out here. That is 9 plus 8, 17. 7 carve out 1 out here. That is 11. 8 plus 3, that is 11. 9 plus 2, 11. 1 carve out 1 out here. 8. This is 3. And this is 1. So, in total, what you are getting is 13817466. This is our answer for 27 power 5 minus 27 power 4, which is 13,817,466. And remember, 27 is 3 power 3, so you have 3 power 3, which is 3 power 5, minus 3 power 3, which is 3 power 4. This will give you the same 13,817,466. And if you go ahead and multiply this exponent and this exponent, you have 3 power 15 minus 3 power 12 equals 13,817,466. So guys, this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. Thank you and goodbye.